Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Hyundai Veloster. First, make sure your car's ignition is on and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. Then, navigate to the Setup menu on your Veloster's infotainment screen. This initial step prepares both your vehicle and your device for a smooth and quick pairing process, getting you ready to enjoy hands-free communication and audio streaming in just a few moments. Once in the Setup menu, select Bluetooth and then choose Add New Device. Your Veloster will now be discoverable. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and look for your car's name in the list of available devices. Select it, and a pairing code will appear on both screens. Verify that these codes match, then confirm the connection on both your phone and the car's display. After confirming the pairing code, your phone will likely ask you to accept the connection request. You may also be prompted to allow access to your contacts and messages. Accepting this enables full hands-free functionality. Once connected, try playing some music or making a quick call to ensure everything is working correctly. You are now ready to enjoy seamless audio and communication through your Veloster system. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your phone and your Veloster's infotainment system can often resolve minor glitches. You might also try deleting any old Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car's memory before attempting to connect again. For more specific guidance, always refer to your Hyundai Veloster's owner's manual, which provides detailed instructions and troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.